I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. This rich and silky mango pudding is bursting with luscious mango flavor. The simplicity of this dessert makes it great for company. It only takes 10 minutes and 5 ingredients to make. It is as easy as can be and there is no baking involved. Just 5 simple ingredients, mix and chill. You can use fresh mangoes, frozen mangoes, or even canned mango pulp to make this recipe. You have the option of using coconut milk, evaporated milk, half and half, 10% mf, or table cream, 18% mf, to suit your taste. This recipe can easily be doubled or tripled depending on how many servings you would like to make. Mango pudding will last up to 3 to 5 days in the fridge, which makes it a great make-ahead dessert. How to make? Dissolve a packet of gelatin in boiled hot water. Stir in some sugar and a pinch of salt. Add in the milk or cream. Mix in the mango puree. Pour the mixture into 4 ramekins or small bowls. Cover with saran wrap and chill in the fridge for 2 hours or until set. This mango pudding recipe is silky smooth, creamy, and bursting with fresh mango flavor. Ingredients: 1/2 cup, 125 ml, boiled hot water. 1 packet, 1 tablespoon, unflavored gelatin, or agar-agar, see notes asterisk. 1/2 cup, 100 g, granulated sugar. Pinch of salt. 1 cup, 250 ml, coconut milk, evaporated milk, half and half, 10% mf, or table cream, 18% mf, see notes below. 1 cup, 250 ml, mango puree, see notes below. Optional. Some diced mangoes and shredded coconut to garnish. Instructions. In a medium bowl, whisk together the gelatin and boiled hot water until no lumps remain. Whisk in the sugar and salt until dissolved. Stir in the coconut milk or cream, then mango puree until mixture is smooth. Pour into 4 ramekins or small bowls. Cover and chill for a minimum of 2 hours before serving. Notes: mango pudding can be covered and stored in the fridge for up to 3 to 5 days. Asterisk, you can substitute the gelatin with agar-agar powder. Now agar-agar powder is a stronger thickener, so you'll need to use less, and you have to bring it to a boil to fully activate. Follow the package instructions and use the amount advised to set 2 cups of liquid. I like using canned coconut milk for this recipe. I find the tropical coconut flavor pairs really well with the mango. Also, the richness from the coconut milk gives the pudding the best creamy texture. If coconut is not your thing, you can use evaporated milk, half and half, 10% mf, or table cream, 18% mf. Homemade mango puree from fresh ripe mangoes is the best for this recipe because it gives the most flavor. Simply puree a heaping cup of fresh diced mangoes in a blender until smooth and measure out 1 cup for the recipe. If your mangoes are stringy, strain the puree through a sieve. However, if fresh mangoes are not readily available where you are, you can use frozen or canned mango pulp. If using frozen mangoes, thaw and drain before pureeing in a blender. If using sweetened canned mango pulp, reduce the sugar by January 4th cup. Nutrition facts. Serves, 4. Calories, 239. Total fat, 12.2 g 16%. Sodium, 11.4 milligrams. Total carbohydrate, 32.8 g. Protein, 3 g 6%. Vitamin A, 2%. Vitamin C, 17%. Calcium, 1%. Iron, 11%. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name Khaled Zubair.